Today we are in Summerlin, and we're in the community of Acacia Canyon, and we're going to be previewing floor plan Acacia. Also, if this is your first time to the channel, I want to know everything there's about Las Vegas. To subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you're the first to learn any upcoming home tours. Now let's get started. So we are currently located just off of Lake Mead and the 215 on the west side of Las Vegas. So here we have Acacia. This is 1,649 square feet. Base price is $543,900. The two-story home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Has a covered patio in the back. Also, we don't have a garage on this one. It is a sales office. So this is in an HOA community. It's gated. HOA is $95 a month plus the master plan of $55, making it a total of $150 a month for HOA fees. You also do have a sit-in lid on this one. Estimated total balance is $11,351. You would have to make 2 semi-annually payments of each of $337. So around yearly, you're looking at $674 yearly. They are planning to build 126 homes. Also, they do have Acacia in the plus. So meaning it would have extras on it. Let me see so I can name a few. So you have the Acacia Plus. That one is a little bigger. That one starts at 1,944 square feet. Total of 6 different floor plans in this community. So you do have 3 regular floor plans, but you can make them into a plus. So they would be more upgraded and bigger. So you do have a courtyard, this one, and there's 3 different elevations to pick from. Also, the remaining homes in this community are already spec'd out homes. So meaning that the builder already picked out the upgrades for you. So rule of thumb right now, probably add around 12 to 15% from the base price plus your lot premiums. So here's a different view. Okay. So here's the front entrance, and this is the smallest floor plan out of all of them. So you got the Acacia, this one, and then the Acacia Plus. Okay, so 9-foot ceilings. You got the vinyl flooring on this one, this model home. Here to my left, you have the staircases going up. That would be your view. So the first thing you'll notice is a living room when you walk here. Nice spacious living room. That 12-foot slider in the back right there, that is an upgrade, guys. Either upgrade to that or get the standard one. Okay, and then here to the left, you have the kitchen. You got about 8x4 island, quartz countertop. Stove. The refrigerator is not included. And to the left of the refrigerator, you got the pantry. That's your stove, microwave. You'll notice this is less upgraded. You'll notice there's no hardware on these cabinets. Also, if you want to check out the other floor plans, I'll have the link up here above. That way you could check them out. So you have your dual stainless steel undermount sink. And you have the window right here facing the backyard, which is pretty neat. Tile backsplash. Got some storage on the other side of that island. You got your dishwasher. Then right over here we have the dining room area. Then over here, we have a bathroom right now. I'm not going to show it to you guys, but to have bathroom, we currently use a public restroom. And that's to the garage. This is a coat closet, but they have it locked right now. Okay, let's go up. Oh, actually, let's check out the backyard before we go upstairs. So you do, this one does come standard. If you don't get the plus, you still get this covered patio. So it's almost like a must here in Vegas. Just because the sun is so harsh out here. You got the pavers. Average lot size is 3,500 square foot lots. So pretty close to what you see on this model home. Obviously you won't get this landscaping and that outdoor kitchen right there. Just for some inspo. Also right behind here you got some nice hiking trails. So if you like to hike and like to do a lot of outdoor activities, definitely come check out Crested Canyon. Also guys, if you plan to check out these new builds, it's all very important that if you want to get your own realtor represent you, you have them come with you on your first visit. Because if you show up, view these homes without a realtor, and then after decide you want some representation outside from the builder, which I always recommend. So make sure you take your realtor on the first visit. Very important. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So as we go upstairs, I just want to let you know that we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Las Vegas, and we love it. So whether you're 7 days out, 3 months, doesn't matter, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, or schedule a Zoom call. We'd definitely love to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. All right, so this one does not have a loft. So you come up, so you got the primary right there. Laundry room, so we'll check out the primary last, but let's start right here. Linen closet. So you do got your laundry room here upstairs. Washer and dryer, not included. You do have your standard 12 by 12 tile in the wet areas. You'll get carpet like and all these others. Only if you get standard, that's what you'll get just in the wet areas. Unless you get the upgrade. So you do have a full bath, single sink, 12 by 12 ceramic tile, prefab shower, only 6 feet. Wish it was higher. Not just that, you noticed it doesn't have a sliding door. So what tends to happen is you'll have the curtains, and what happens, water will leak from the sides, start damaging your wall over time. It won't happen overnight, but over time. Also, if you're tall, taking showers, water will start splashing on the wall, start damaging it as well. So I would always upgrade to getting the sliding door. If you plan to, to live on it at least for many years, always upgrade to that. Okay. But the builder already has the home spec'd out. So a lot of the upgrades you won't be able to pick out. You just determine what house you want with certain upgrades. They're already all spec'd out. Here's a front view. So here's bedroom number 1. Very standard size. Not big, not small. Just, I would say, your standard bedroom. You do know, you'll notice is you do have 12-foot ceilings upstairs. You just do not have the 8-foot doors on this model home. Here's bedroom number 2. Also window facing the front of the house. Give you a quick view from here, from this corner. What do you guys think? If you guys are enjoying this home tour, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you're the first to learn any of my upcoming home tour videos and stay up to date. Look at this view. I like how it just like zigzags. Gives it, instead of like a straight shot upstairs. You could also come here and see the front door from here. You have 2 windows right there. That's in that natural lighting. Got that can lighting, ceilings. Check out this primary bedroom. What do you guys think? You only have these 2 windows, but look at this view. I like it. Check out the primary bath. So you do have the combo tub and stand-up shower on this one. And then right behind me, you got the dual sinks, quartz countertop, great cabinets. This one you have the 12 by 24 ceramic tile. You got the toilet, walk-in closet. What do you guys think? All right, well, that concludes my home tour, guys. Like always, if you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming home tours. Till next time, guys.